All right, so for question number 40, right? The moment you read this sentence, they say average of two numbers is 30. What does that mean already? Exactly. You'll find the total of?
The total of two numbers.
Yes, so you find the total of two numbers. And how to find the total of two numbers, Aries? Find the total of two numbers. Aries, let's look at the screen. So how to find the average of the two numbers? The average of two numbers is 30, so how to find the total of two numbers?
30 divided by 2.
Total.
Oh.
No need, Aries, just look at the screen and just answer from there. You don't need to look at your whatever paper. Yes, and what is it after 30 times 2? Now, can you see here? They say that they tell you the difference between two numbers is 8, right? So if there are two numbers, what kind of numbers can they be? Two numbers. It can either be a what kind of number or what kind of number? There's only two numbers. It can either be a what kind of number or what kind of number?
Larger and smaller.
Very good. A larger number or a smaller number, right? So they say the difference is this. What should we be doing already?
Minus.
You got a total. You know there's larger number and smaller number, and the difference is 8. So how do I express all this? What should I be using? What should I be using? So that I can solve it easily.
Two numbers.
What should I be using? When we're going to start, what do you do? So for this pink information, what should we be doing? We should?
Draw two bars.
Yeah, draw model. So how to draw the model? What do you have to draw the model?
2 bars.
2 bars. One of them is what?
Longer.
Longer for who?
The top number.
The total. Longer for who?
For the larger.
Yes, for the larger what? Larger number, you draw a longer bar. And what else?
Then you draw a shorter bar.
Shorter bar for who?
Smaller number.
For the what?
Smaller number.
Yes, a smaller number. So what are the information I have?
Then the difference is 8.
Difference is 8. So put in here 8. And what else I have?
The total.
Yes, the total is?
16.
Then put in here. Then do you think can solve now? Can solve already, right? And do you think you can find the larger number from here? Yes or no? Can, right? Easy, right? Okay, what's the next question that you need help in?
42.
42. So let's look at 42. Same thing. When they say average of papaya and durian, the moment you see average of papaya and durian is 3.5, immediately what can you find? Total of who? Must be very clear. Cannot just say total. Yes, total of the papaya and durian. And what do we do? 3.5 times 2, I get my answer. Next, the same thing. Can you see they say the durian is this much heavier than the papaya? So what do? Draw a model. Very good. And how to draw your model? What do you have?
We have a larger and a smaller.
We have a what first?
Longer bar.
No, you already said the answer. There is a, what do we draw? Draw who?
Draw the larger.
The durian and
The
papaya. So the durian is longer. Why is the durian longer?
Because
It's heavier and the papaya is shorter. Heavier by how much? So fill in 2.6. And what other information I have? Total from here, right? Input inside. Do you think you can solve already? It's just model drawing and model solving. Easy peasy. Becomes a primary 2, primary 3 question already.
So all of these.
Okay, what other questions you need help?
48.
48. So let's see. 48. Okay, so same thing. Now this one, I would separate them. I have 20 fans is my total, right? And they say that this 20 fans is split into 12 fans. And the rest are $4 each. So the rest are how many fans? 8 fans. Now, what about these 12 fans? What did they tell me about these 12 fans? $6 each. So what do I do? Divide by 6. No. Yes, I'll do 12 times 6. Why would I want to do 12 times 6? I need keywords. What is 12 times 6? The answer is to find who? Total, yes. The total what?
Of 12 fans.
The total what of 12 fans?
Number.
Nope, not number. The total what? Look carefully. Read the question.
The total price. So
The total price of the 12 fans. Now, what do I do with these 8 fans? What are the information I have? $4 each. So what do I do? 8 times 4, and I get the answer. So right now, can you see the keyword is that they want you to find the average of that 20 fans, right? So before you find average, you must find what first? Total. Do you think you can find the total? How?
we take the price of 12 fans plus the price of
This one and this one, right? You give me the total, and then do you think you can find the average from there? Yes. Easy peasy. What's the next one? What other questions?
52.
52. Okay, so this one you need to put in your notes. This is when we'll use this thing called the NET strategy. N-A-T, NET, Natalie, N-A-T. So why do I say that this is actually more difficult? Because we have boys, we have girls also. Now, for the NET strategy, I don't want you guys to just write N-A-T, yeah? What is N stands for? Number of. What is A stands for? What does T stands for? Total. Okay, so right now they say there's the average mass of 30 pupils is 28 kg. The moment they say average, I can find what already? Total of how many? 30 pupils. And how much is that?
26 times 30.
26 times 30? No. 28 times 30? Yes. Put in the calculator, and how much do you get? 840? Now, what does this mean? This means, right, 30 pupils. Can you see that the 30 pupils is made up of boys and girls? So I'll put boys here. I'll put girls here. Understand? So can you see 30 pupils? That means that boys and girls in total will give me 840. Means these two add up will give me 840. Okay, so right now let's continue. Okay, actually this is not very difficult because they say there are 6 more boys than girls. Do I know what's the total number of boys and girls? Yes, right? So what do I do? Yes, we need to draw model. We have boys, we have girls, right? Boys, how many? The model is what? Longer. And the girls is shorter. And the difference is how much? 6. And what is the, do I have any more clues? Total is Huh? 240? No. 840? No. There were 6 more boys than girls. So what other clues I have for my model?
Average mass of boys is
What are clues I have for the model to input in this model?
one unit.
Not yet. You got some more clues. Yes, very good. Where do you get this 30 information from? Yes, 30 pupils, and the 30 pupils are made up of boys and girls. Now, do you think you can start solving already to find how many boys and how many girls? Okay, how?
The first box is 1 unit.
How do we form the link? What do I write?
1 unit.
3 units? No, that's not how you do model. No.
1 unit.
1 unit? No.
30 minus 6.
Why? Why do you use 30 minus 6 to get what?
To get 2 units.
Exactly. So what do I write? How do I form my link? I write as?
2 units.
Yes, 2 units first. 2 units will give me?
30 minus 6.
What do I write first? After 2 units? Equal to?
30 minus 6.
Yes, then from here I can find?
2 units, then find 1 unit.
2 units is equal to? 24. And then from here I can find?
1 unit, 12.
1 unit is 12. And this 1 unit is 12 means I can find the what? I can find what? I can find a lot of information already. I can find what?
Total for girls.
Total for girls, not total for girls. Must be very clear. What is this 12 referring to? What's this 12 referring to? 1 unit is 12.
How many girls?
So what do I say? I need a proper term, proper word, proper keywords. What's the proper keyword?
Number of girls.
Very good. Number of girls. So number of girls we know right now is 12, right? Okay, what else? What else can I find? What else can I find?
Average number of boys.
Very good. How do you find the number of boys?
12 plus 6 is the boys is
So 12 plus 6 is equal to
18.
18. And I put bracket. What do I write in the bracket?
Number of boys.
Then now can I fill into my chart already? So number of boys, what do I fill inside here? 18. Number of girls, what do I fill in? 12. Okay. All this must write in your notes, guys. Please take note, question 52. So this, can you see this? Based on this pink sentence, I can form all the pink information there. Now let's move on to green. They say the average mass of the boys is 31. So where do I put 31? Average, right? So from here, what can I find already? Total of who? Yes, how? So I can find here, right? So I can find the total of the boys. Total what of the boys? Total number of boys? No, it's not total number of boys. It's a total what of boys?
Mass.
Yes, total mass. So the total mass of boys is equal to, what's the working? What's the working? 18 times 31, which is equal to 558, is it? Okay, so you can fill this information in, 558, right? So you can see all this information you have. What do you think the next one you can find already? What's the next information you can find? What about the girls? Which part about the girls that you can find? Yes, total what? Okay, because I got not enough space, I'll cover this up. Please make sure go home and make notes into your average, okay? Okay, so right now what can I find already?
Total mass of the girls.
Yes, total mass of the girls. So this is step 1. From there, from the question, I can find this. And step 2, I can find this. So this is step 1. Now step 2, where's the total mass of the girls? Which one? Is it number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6? Where is it? Where did I put this information?
Number 6.
Yes, I put it in number 6. So this is where I'm finding step 2. So total mass of girls, how do I go about finding it?
840 minus 550.
Okay, and what do you get?
282.
Yes, 282. So right now I can fill in here already, right? 282. So let's read back the question again. What did the question ask for? They want to find the average mass of the girls, which is here. Can I find? Easy peasy. So that is number 3. So number 3 is you want to find the average mass of girls, right? So how do you go about finding the average mass of girls?
282 divided by 12.
Yes, 282 divided by 12, and your answer is?
It's in decimal.
Of course. What's wrong with decimal when we already learned decimals? What?
3.5.
Yeah, I don't understand what is wrong with decimals. What? We already learned that, unless you're telling me you have not learned decimals. Okay, so that's all for average. Okay, please make notes for question 52. Okay, write down your homework book right now. Make notes for question 52.